Welcome and congratulations that you took the time to watch this video. Today you will learn about us, classes, designs, rings, pendants, opal setting, and so much more. Why should you take this course? First of all, most people spend $200 on a pair of shoes. And guess what? They wear and tear them shoes and they can't do nothing but buy another pair of shoes. But you're spending $200 with me, and not only that, I guarantee you're going to make an amazing profit with us, okay? So let me introduce myself. Yes, I am a high-end artist, and I am not just a grill master, but guess what? I also make other things, okay? I make other artwork, other pieces. You know, if you follow me for a long time, then you know that I do more than just grills. So as you know, we accept Klarna, Afterpay, PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, Chime, all these things, even Apple Pay. We accept Apple Pay, okay? So there's no excuse why you cannot learn 48 class lessons. Now, yes, we're going to teach you how to make a grill from start to finish. You do have the opportunity to make your own grills. You do not have to wholesale with us. But if you do, I promise you're going to love it, okay? These are designs that we did throughout the years, okay? Why should you take 48 lessons with us and then wholesale with us? Okay, so basically in this package, you will have a coaching session. So once you complete your 48 lessons online, you must tell me that you are finished. Repeat, you must tell me that you're finished so that we can do our coaching session with you, and we will go over your business name. You will have to get a business name with Grillz at the end. You will get a customized catalog to your business of all these are beautiful grills over the years, okay? So that you can show your clients what you can do, okay? Yes, you will still need to do opal setting and stone setting. I teach you all those things. What we do is prep your grill and send it to you, and you finish the rest for your customer because it's your business, okay? We have an amazing packet for you, okay? So not only do that, you get that, but you also get customized labels to your business, a price list to your business, shipping forms to your business, okay? The only physical product you get is your catalog, okay? You get your design your grill forms. So we're going to teach you step by step. You're going to learn making rings with us. You're going to learn making pendants with us. You're going to learn scam training. You're going to learn how to go viral on social media. You're going to learn how to advertise on social media. These are the things that I have mastered, and I am here to help you start your business onto a great start. Why not spend $200? What are you thinking? We accept Klarna. We accept Afterpay. We accept PayPal. We accept Chime, Cash App. So you can definitely get started on making your life better and starting a career. Now, listen, if you know someone that can benefit from this, then sign up. Sign up for them. They will absolutely love you, okay? Now, keep in mind, save the date. March 2nd, we're going to be hosting a major party for the wholesalers and for those that are just doing the grills, okay? This party is here in Atlanta, so yes, you are going to need to grab your tickets. Not now, but you will be able to grab your tickets. We want to bless you, okay? We want you to have fun. This is not just a business just to sign up and learn. We're going to have fun in the process and looking good while doing it, okay? So go ahead and sign up now. This opportunity is for the month of August. We may change it back to full price. We hope to see you soon.